Ano lang yan, tatagal yan ng mga hanggang February.
Hanggang February.
Kasi every 3 months nagbabago yung exhibit dito.
Oh, magical. Galing daw Cebu to, magical.
Very tall.
Oh.
Tungkol yan sa mga alamat at saka revolutionary gawaan. Revolutionary people.
Alright.
Mga anti-painting.
Wow. Kasi ibang kulay pero dito sa black light, umiilaw.
Look at my socks.
Saka yung mga painting
Hey, look at my socks.
parang meron
Where is the shell mo? Maganda ba?
Okay. Wow, nag-glow in the dark.
Look at my socks. And my shirt.
Ay, wala pa ito nung pumunta kami yan. Kailan pa po ito?
They picture me.
Ah.
Ano